Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to me, Alda. How is your day? I hope you all that stay healthy and stay at home. Before that, you have to like, subscribe, and comment. Today, I want to continue my statement about English for broadcasting. Well, I have a cake making tutorial. The name is chocolate resoles. Okay, I know that everyone sometimes has difficulty of baking cake. So, I have a tutorial to make easier and creative at home. Stay tuned. Okay, here I have 4 ingredients for baking cakes. Among them, spring roll skin, eggs, breadcrumb, and chocolate. The brand is Ferrero. Okay, let's start it. First, we have to stir the eggs. The second, don't forget to cut the chocolate into a long shape. Because I want to make 5 cakes, so we need 5 bits only. Okay, the third, prepare the spring roll skin and put the chocolate in the middle. Then the lower end of the spring roll skin falls into the middle, in accordance with the location of the chocolate. Then a portion of the left spring roll skin folded toward the center, likewise in the right side folded to the middle. Oh yeah, don't forget to tip the spring roll skin is given egg white. Then apply to the tip until evenly. In order to make the spring roll skin sticky from each side, do it like that until the end. Okay, like that. And then see the result. Before frying, don't forget to put the spring roll skin into the egg mixture. Then put it a banana flavor. Then roll it until evenly distributed, or you can also press it to make it easy or stick. Do it like that. Okay, the fifth, prepare cooking oil in the pan. Wait until the oil is hot. Don't forget to use a rather small fire. Then put one by one the cake. Be careful because the oil is hot. But it is hotter saying him with someone else. I think I just kidding, guys. After that, remove to a container. Don't forget to sprinkle cheese as topping to make it look more charming and enjoyable. Ta-da! It is finished. It's so simple, right? It is the result of the combination of the 4 ingredients earlier. Okay, I think enough for my first tutorial. Maybe you can try it at home. And don't forget, I will if you stay tuned my channel.